Welcome, savages, savage family, savage maniacs. Looking at apartments still. I'm trying to find a way to stay in Orlando or close to Orlando at a reasonable price, but it's getting very hard to do. So we're out here in Winter Garden, and this place is called Ascend Waterleigh Club in Winter Garden. And yeah, when you first walk in, this thing is beautiful. So this is the lobby area. You can come out and chill. I don't remember the price, but like I said, you can Google it. I am going to go look at a room. So when I go look at the room, I'll definitely get the price, but I wanted to give you a good look of what you can expect from the lobby area or clubhouse area as well. Clubhouse rules, a little bit of Scrabble. I'm pretty sure you can come out here and entertain others. There seems to be a pool table over there. This is like the cafe area here. Pretty nice looking. Nah, I'm going this way. Appreciate that. This is the lobby where you come in. This view right here. There's something about this view right here. Just make you want to kind of stay here. That's very beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so let's go to the fitness center. Like, we can't even go outside. It has to be a way outside. Oh, the fitness center is pretty nice. My Peloton bike riders. Yeah, you got plenty of options. This apartment is like, I think it's a year old. So it's still considered new. You might even be lucky to get a brand new unlivable home. So that's something to take in consideration as well, since it's just a year. I got MMA on, treadmills, elliptical, Stairmaster, pull downs, of course, bench press. I mean, it's not everything, but it's enough to come here and get a good burn. And you got a restaurant right here. Let me see if I can find a way outside to the pool area. Be right back. All right, shout out to the resident who let me in to the pool area. I'm not supposed to be back here because I'm not a resident, but this is the bathroom in the pool area. Okay, let me get it. For a year, only a year old, this thing is pretty still clean, or I should say still clean, or still pretty clean. All right, so now come out here and look at the pool, because I want to get a view of that, the little swing set and everything. The pool is pretty nice too, pretty big. And I'm kind of curious on how much everything costs. Let me get closer to the pool. It looked like it only goes about 3 feet deep. Yeah, so it's only go 3 feet. Well, I see 3.5. What? 4. So you can get about 4.5. I can stand in that. Most people should be able to stand in that. Beautiful pool. Yeah, I can't wait to get the prices of everything. But yeah, this is the area that I like a lot. Right here. On a good, cool day, you can come out here and chill. I wouldn't say do it today. Right now, it's about 95 in Florida. That Florida summer is here. It's not even summer yet, but it's definitely here. All right, so next thing to do is to do a tour of 1 bedroom, 1 bath. I get the price for sure, but once again, you can always Google it. And I believe it has to be affordable. Winter Garden seems to be very affordable compared to living in Orlando, which is about 30 minutes away. Disney is about 15, 20 minutes away. That's something to take in consideration. But let's go ahead and get a tour of the room. See you later. All right, starting off in the masters. This is Asin Waterleigh Club.
Building 2 does have one.
Okay.
So if you wanted to go in building 2.
Nice walk-in closet.
Oh, wait, what floor is that?
Come into the bathroom.
3rd floor. Shoot.
Pretty nice size as well.
Yeah, we would have it in building 1 and building 2.
Okay.
But building 1 is our last building to come on board. So it would be less inhabited longer.
So the brand new building.
It would be quieter longer because not as many people live there yet. No one can move into it yet.
Yeah, that's what I would like. Brand new, never lived there.
Yeah.
And this is definitely beautiful.
Face the west.
Big pantry. Here. You can put your TV right there. And then it's very quiet. It's definitely quiet.
Right, I do agree.
Come out here to the screen patio. If you get this, be right by the pool. Yeah, but with that door closed, you definitely can't hear anything. So they do have an A1, which is like 782 square feet at $1,760. They're doing a couple of deals depending on when you want to move in. You can get up to a 6 month free, or if you just move in later, a date, it's a month free. So something to think about. I don't like the price range a little bit though. I think I can find something a little bit better. But we can see. We're gonna see. Alright, so that's the prices right here. I mean, as she was talking, the lady name was Peggy. As she was talking, she mentioned something about 2 months free. So I guess they might be doing that pretty soon. So if you knock off 2 months free, if you still pay your rent and just pretty much offset that 2 months free, that can go all the way down to about $1,580 to $1,700, depending on which one you want to pick. The one we just looked at was the A4, and right here is going to be the brand new building. They're not done building that yet, but that's going to be the brand new building where no one has lived in. So you can pretty much get that right there and know that you got a brand new home at a decent price if you do it for 2 months free. Once again, man, I'm still looking at Port St. Lucie because Port St. Lucie would pay me more due to my job, and it's a little bit cheaper, especially the one I looked at. I'm gonna save that for the next video when we go back to Port Lucie, St. Port Lucie, and we're gonna see how much cheaper rent is there at this brand new complex that I just saw on the website. I called them and talked to them, but you have to go make sure everything is legit. Sometimes when it's too good to be true, it's too good to be true. But yeah, that's going to be the full tour of this place. Again, give you the name and the prices. Google it. 30 minutes outside of Orlando. It's about a good 20 minutes away from Disney. And that's all I gotta say. Oh yeah, we out.